who is the most beneficent and merciful. So once we are discussing article here, that is interchange of kinetic energy and potential energy, and we take the example of now a simple pendulum. What is simple pendulum? It consists of a small metallic bob suspended from some support by means of some string. It is named as simple pendulum. So look at the diagram here, students. Simple pendulum, interchange of kinetic energy and potential energy. It means kinetic energy can be converted into potential energy and potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy, but the total energy at any point remains constant. So we take an example of simple pendulum, students. It's a simple pendulum and it consists of, I've just told you, it consists of a small metallic bob suspended from some support by means of a string. It is named as simple pendulum. And students, if we displace this simple pendulum to some distance, to some height, and release it, it will oscillate between two positions A and B. O is named as mean position, and that position is a resting position, central position. It is termed as mean position. And A and B, these are two extreme positions. So O is the mean position, A and B, these are two extreme positions. These are two extreme positions. So we have the O is the mean position, A and B, these are two extreme positions. The metallic bob is lying at its central position. It's a resting position. It is named as mean position or equilibrium position, and A and B, these are two extreme positions. O lies at very close to the ground. So that's why at point O, at point mean position, its height is approximately equal to 0. It lies very close to the ground, and we all know the at mean position, I am discussing here a mean position here. At mean position, at mean position, at mean position, that is the O position, where height is approximately equal to 0, so that is H is equal to 0. So gravitational potential energy, it is equal to, we all know that is equal to mgh. So H is 0, it means gravitational potential energy or potential energy, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0 because height is approximately equal to 0, so that's why gravitational potential energy is equal to 0. At point A, you all know, when this metallic bob goes towards A, it is against the force of gravity, so its velocity decreases, and at point A its velocity becomes 0. At point A and at point B, at point A and at point B, these are two extreme positions. Extreme positions. Extreme positions. Extreme positions. As the metallic bob goes towards A or goes towards B, it is moving against the force of gravity. Its velocity decreases, and if the velocity decreases, what do you say about its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy decreases. At point A and at point B, the velocity is 0. We all know the velocity is 0, but the kinetic energy, we all know that is equal to half mv square. So V is 0, so that's why the kinetic energy and it will be equal to 0. V is 0, So therefore the kinetic energy is equal to 0. And I have already discussed here, students, at point O, its potential energy is 0, gravitational potential energy is 0. Why it is 0? Because it lies very close to the ground, height is approximately equal to 0. So that's why gravitational potential energy is 0. At point A and B, these are two extreme positions. When the metallic bob goes towards A and B, then it's moving against the force of gravity, so its velocity decreases. At point A and B, these are two extreme positions, so velocity is at this point is equal to 0. And when the velocity is 0, we all know the kinetic energy is equal to 0. And in between O and A, students, this article is very important as far as O level physics is concerned. Students, I request you all, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So kinetic energy is equal to 0, and in between O and A, in between mean and extreme positions, mean and extreme positions, because we have the two extreme positions, so that's why you have write on positions in between mean and extreme positions. So there is partially kinetic energy, and partially potential energy. Partially kinetic energy and partially potential energy. But the important thing is, students, on all the points between O and A or any point, the total energy remains constant. The total energy means mechanical energy. So the mechanical energy. So as I have already told you, the mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, that is the total energy, and it's a mechanical energy, it remains constant. So that is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. So as I have discussed here interchange of kinetic energy and potential energy. So potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy can be converted into potential energy, but the total energy, I mean mechanical energy, remains constant. That is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. So students, that's about the interchange of kinetic energy and potential energy, and this article is important as far as O level physics is concerned. Thank you all.